Breastfeeding should not hurt, and if it does, chances are the latch is the problem. A poor latch can lead to sore nipples, frustration, and a hungry baby. Here are easy, effective ways to fix your latch and enjoy pain-free breastfeeding. Before you begin breastfeeding, take a moment to check your baby's position. No matter which hold you're using, make sure your baby's head, neck and spine are in a straight line, not twisted. This helps them swallow more easily. You should feel comfortable too. To help your baby get a good latch, start by holding them close with their nose level to your nipple. The wider your baby's mouth, the easier it will be for them to latch deeply and comfortably. This positioning helps create a deeper, more effective latch and can make breastfeeding much more comfortable for you. The football hold, also called the clutch hold, is a great breastfeeding position for moms. In this position, you hold your baby at your side, tucked under your arm like a football, with their body resting along your forearm. Use your hand to gently guide your baby's head to your breast. This hold keeps pressure off your belly and gives you a clear view of your baby's latch, which can help make breastfeeding easier and more comfortable. The side-lying position is great for making breastfeeding more comfortable, especially during night feedings, or if you're recovering from a C-section. Lie on your side with your baby facing you, making sure their mouth is level with your nipple for a smooth latch. This position helps prevent strain on your back and neck, making breastfeeding feel more natural and pain-free. After feeding, always return your baby to a safe sleeping position. A nursing pillow is a must-have for new parents, designed to make feeding time more comfortable and supportive for both you and your baby. Boppy Original Nursing Pillow is designed by a mom to provide comfort and support while breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or bonding with your baby. Its C-shaped design lifts your baby to a more ergonomic position, helping reduce strain on your arms and back. You can use it for multiple feeding styles, including cradle, cross-cradle, or bottle feeding. The pillow's cover is machine washable and dryable for easy care. A nipple shield is a helpful tool for breastfeeding moms who may be struggling with latching difficulties or sore nipples. Medela Contact Nipple Shields are designed to support breastfeeding moms by making it easier to breastfeed when latching is difficult or painful. These shields allowing your baby to stay in close skin-to-skin contact with you while still benefiting from the shield's support. They are comfortable on your skin, even if you have sore, dry or cracked nipples, making it easier for your baby to latch and stimulate the sucking reflex. With a few simple adjustments, you can improve your baby's latch and make nursing a more comfortable, successful experience for both of you.